Okay, just a short video of my dodgy KE70-4AGE. Bought it about a year ago for about $500. Came with I think it was a 4K piece of shit. Killed that probably in about 6 months, and I decided to go the 4AGE route. So basically just transferring all the JDM Sprinter gear straight into the car. Everything pretty much is directly interchangeable. So this is the engine. I got the short block or the long block for about $50. Then I bolted on all the rear wheel drive accessories that came off the Sprinter setup. Running 421 extractors to a 2.5 inch exhaust. It's probably a little big, but I'm planning on putting a turbo on pretty soon. I'm running a Haltech standalone management system. One of the key things I had to build was a cam angle sensor, because the standard factory one from the 4AGE isn't really compatible with Haltech. So inside the distributor I've ripped out most of the components for the standard cam angle sensor, and I've jammed in a $14 J-Car Hall effect sensor and an aluminium disc that I machined on a CNC machine and put in 4 magnets at 90-degree angles from each other. So that basically gives the computer the RPM signal that it needs, and the crank angle position as well. Alright, so there's some quality components here, just thought I'd show. Standard Haltech temperature sensor, doesn't actually really screw in, so I just thought I'd strip it in a little bit and then just put some gasket goo around it. So far holding solid up to 8,000 RPM. Similarly for my little aluminium wheel in here with my little Hall effect sensor, holding at 8,000 RPM. Temperature sensor, yep, that's in there solid, just sort of give it a bit of a squish, should be right. I'm running a Sprinter coilovers at the front. I've got some King springs at the rear. Just pretty much standard straight through muffler with a VL turbo fuel pump, and I don't know if you can see it, basically just a VL turbo fuel pump setup. And I'm using at the moment, fuck, look, I can't do documentaries, eh? Look, I'm just gonna fucking get in here and start it up. Alright, so the key feature that I forgot to point out was I'm running an Innovate LC-1 wideband oxygen sensor. And there's a little gauge on the right there showing a current AFR of 21.9, which is roughly air, I think. You can see that, more importantly, sort of just bodgily, don't know if you can see that, but it's basically just screwed into just before where the catalytic converter would be. Is the ideal spot for it, so the gases have mixed. Haltech E6A, dodgy Win98 laptop running dodgy DOS software. Well, actually it's not that dodgy, it's pretty stable. Good old serial data rate transfer, not very fast, but anyway. So at the moment the computer's connecting to the Haltech. Okay, we're in. This is how you do it. Yep. Anyway, let's see if I can start this bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't tell me I fucking did it again. You piece of shit. I believe it. Sorry about that. It's fucked. quality right there.